Good afternoon again, boys. Previously you no doubt would have seen Mr. Pickett's eggs and bacon, and the whole idea behind that was for the upcoming Mother's Day. And we realised that we actually haven't shown you an important part of that breakfast, and that being tea and coffee. So with that, we've invited Mrs. Deasy to walk you through something which is always appreciated by the mums and dads and families out there. So very quickly, we're just going to walk you through so you're all prepared and ready for that coming Sunday.
Morning fellas, hope you're having an absolute great day. I have got a tip that is going to make you the #1 son in your household. And on Sunday the 10th of May, Mum is going to absolutely enjoy being served a cuppa, either a tea or a coffee. So here's a quick refresher. We need to pop the kettle on to boil, get our tea bag, pop it in the cup. Pro tip, hold on to this so you don't have to fish it out with a spoon. Sometimes Mum might like some milk in her tea or a bit of sugar, and you can add that. Some people like to add it first. I like to add it at the end. So once our kettle's boiled, it can take a while sometimes. Okay, carefully we hold on to the string and pour the boiling water into the cup. Make sure the tide's not out, fellas. Mum likes to have a whole cup of tea. You need to jiggle it around and make the tea nice and strong. Then, to make Mum even happier, you put this straight into the rubbish bin. Add some milk. And give it a good stir. That, gents, Mum will absolutely enjoy drinking. But if your mum's like me and likes to have a coffee, you need to get the coffee out of the cupboard. A nice big heaped spoon. Now it's a bit controversial, but I like my milk in first. So you add some milk. And then we add the boiling water. Give it a really good stir. Pop the lid back on the coffee. And deliver this to Mum in bed on Mother's Day. Good luck, fellas.
Okay, just a couple of tips, boys. Mrs. Deasy likes her tea and coffee without sugar, but of course go and ask Mum what she would like, whether she would like some sugar or not. With coffees, it's a science in itself, and as you probably see in the supermarkets, there's all ways of doing coffee. Percolated coffee, pods, where you just pull out a pod, in this particular case, placing it in, putting it in, that pierces it, and then you hit it and away it goes, and it just drips feeds in. But there's all different designs in regards to the way you can do coffee. But first and foremost, always ask Mum how she likes it. Typical boy thing for me is the tea bag is always about diffusing and getting the strength through the diffusion. Being a boy and wanting to make it done a lot quicker, I simply just wrap it around the tea bag and dunk, and it just diffuses a lot quicker. Otherwise you should let it go for a few minutes, but one or the other. Okay, hopefully that's a help. Thanks very much.